The graph of the function f is shown. Use the graph to find the following quantities. Part A, the limit as x approaches negative 3 from the left of f of x. Let's locate negative 3. And since we want the limit as x approaches negative 3 from the left, we need to approach negative 3 from the left side. And this is the behavior coming in from the left. And as we are approaching negative 3 from the left, the function values are approaching 2. So the limit is 2. Part B, find the limit as x approaches negative 3 from the right of f of x. This is the behavior of the function as we approach negative 3 from the right. The function value approaches 1, so the limit as x approaches negative 3 from the right of f of x is 1. Part C, the limit as x approaches negative 3 of f of x. So remember, whenever we have a limit, we need to look at the behavior from both sides, unless it's a one-sided limit that will specifically say from the left or from the right. So as we approach negative 3 from the left and from the right, notice that the behaviors are not matching. We have 2 from the left and then 1 from the right. So because the left and right behaviors don't match, the limit does not exist for part C. Part D, the limit as x approaches 2 from the left of f of x. We have x equals 2 here, and now let's approach 2 from the left. As we approach 2 from the left, the function values are approaching negative 1. So the limit is negative 1. Part E, the limit as x approaches 2 from the right of f of x. This is the behavior of the function approaching 2 from the right, and the function values are approaching negative 1. So this limit is negative 1. Part F, the limit as x approaches 2 of f of x. Since it's just the limit as x approaches 2, we need to look at the behavior from the left and from the right of 2. From both sides, the function values approach negative 1. So this limit is negative 1. So if the left limit matches the right limit, the limit will exist. But if the left limit does not match the right limit, the limit will not exist. However, it's possible for a limit to exist from one side, but not both.